Most small businesses don't need QuickBooks. They need books they actually own. And this is mine. I created my own version of QuickBooks in under 24 hours, and I'm going to show you how to do it too in under 10 minutes. So if you want my link to the GitHub for this super setup prompt, go ahead and comment books down in the comment section below, okay? I use Airtable. It is one base with a few simple tabs and an AI that runs the whole thing for almost nothing a month. I'm going to walk you through the exact system I run my entire business on, 9 tabs, 1 dashboard. By the end, you'll see where every invoice, every payment, and every expense lives in one place I own outright. Here's the whole thing in plain English. We've got Airtable as the database, and we have the brain as Claude. And to tie it all together, we use N8N as a work frame. But here's the catch. I've created one super prompt for you to hand Claude that will automatically build this entire system for you so that you absolutely have to do nothing besides fill in a couple of data points. So let me show you the tabs. And don't worry, there's no menu to learn here. First is the clients. That's just who you work with, the name, email, and the company that they work for. And disclosure for everyone, my Airtable link is in the description below where you can sign up for free as well with N8N. Second is going to be your invoices, every bill I've sent, what's it for and whether it's been paid for. And then line items is the breakdown of what's actually on each one. Those 3 tabs are the heart of it. Who, what, how much. But here's the thing. Records just sitting there don't get you paid. So watch the next 3 tabs work together. Payments tab is every dollar that comes in, tied straight back to the invoice. Nothing floating around unaccounted for. This is what we call reconciliation in the accounting world. Following that, we have bank transactions. This is my actual bank feed, the raw deposits and withdrawals. And here's the magic. The system matches a deposit here to the right invoice and flips it to paid for me. I don't even have to lift a finger. But here's the part that I really love. I don't click through any of this to find things. I simply just ask Claude, who hasn't paid me? And there it is. Every overdue invoice, who owes me, how much, and how many days late. I asked a question in plain English and it answered. That's the whole point. The app is just talking to it. So you no longer have to phrase things or filter things. Talk to Claude like a human being or your own accountant that you want work done. Spending works the same way. 2 quick tabs make it automatic. Categories, the bucket of software, contracts, ads, and fees. Accounts, where the money came from, my business card, my checking. The AI uses these 2 tabs to sort every charge by itself, which brings us here. Expenses. Every charge already sorted. AWS, Zoom, Airtable, software, contract work, contractors, LinkedIn, ads, each one tagged to a category and an account, marked recurring or one time and flagged if it's tax deductible. Add it all up, and that is exactly what I've spent live. And everything rolls up here at the dashboard. Just like your Spotify Wrapped, you've got your invoices and income. You've got your income and invoices collected. You have your expenses of all the money that you have spent for that month or year. And this is completely customizable. If you want new categories or new things added or taken away, you can simply ask Claude to make the changes. That's the best part about this. And I don't see a need for QuickBooks if I could build something like this in under 24 hours. And this is just the beginning. There's so much more that I could build on top of this, but I'm going to allow you guys to do this. I'm going to allow you to customize it to your own company completely for free. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you build your own version of QuickBooks. If you like this video and want this exact setup for your business, just comment books down in the comment section below, and I will send you the setup super prompt that will allow you to build this entire accounting system for free.